Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
너무 좋아요.
아주 좋습니다. 날씨도 좋고 좋은 경험합니다.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
원래 그 마지막 산행인데요. 이제까지 전혀 그 안전사고 없이 잘 진행해 왔습니다. 오늘 오전도 그랬듯이 오후에도 이렇게 좋은 날씨에 즐거운 안전하고 즐거운 산행을 하셨습니다.
덕분에 올해 15회차까지 하는데 참 큰 일 없이 이런 안전하게 실이 4번 산행을 했다는 게 참 모두의 이런 덕분인 것 같고요. 우리 참 제일 고생하신 그런 박태석 대장님 이하 여러분의 모두의 그런 도움으로 오늘 마지막 회차가 더구나 어떤 날씨도 좋고 해가지고 더 기억에 남을 이런 마지막 행사인 것 같습니다.
우리 에코투어가 시작한 지가 10여 년이 된 것 같아요. 제가 그때 70이 넘을 때 시청을 했더니 우리 논설위원님께서 좀 걸을 수 있을까 아마 걱정을 꽤 하셨던 모양이에요.
제일 잘 걸어.
그런데 내년에도 제가 뭐 계속은 참석할지 안 할지 모르겠습니다만은 내년에도 뭐 시간 나는 대로 제가 몸이 건강하는 대로 좀 참석을 하겠습니다. 여러분 좀 같이 반겨해 주셔서 고맙습니다.
산모퉁이 바로 돌아
송악사 이거늘 무얼 그리 갈래 갈래 깊은 산 속에 맨날
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do